Oak Business Consultant is back with another product, Orthopedic Center Excel Financial Model Template. This has been designed for you to forecast up to 60-month operating budget and cash flows. So let's dive in. At the first, we have the input sheet. All these assumptions that you are seeing in the orange color are the values or the numbers that can be updated as per the requirement of your business, and other values and the calculations will be updated automatically. Let's show you how. If I'm changing this terms from 60 to 45, you can see the monthly installment has changed. See how the monthly installment has changed here. Then we have the revenue assumptions, in which we have different segments. The one segment is the consultation and other one is the orthopedic product sales. Then we have the some assumptions about the clients, and how many visitors we are going to have in the first month, and or what will be the growth rate, and how many of these visitors will convert into a long-term patients. So this is how we have the client assumption. Also, we have taken into account the inter-segment sale, that people from consultation may buy products, and there could be the product sale from other segments too. We have divided the patient services into three things, which is the follow-up consultations, physical therapy, and surgery. And then we have determined the prices for all of these and the fees. Then we have some cost of goods sold assumption. Here we are using the add-on feedback to consultants, surgeons, and therapists. And then we have the payroll assumptions, the operating expenses assumptions, and the capital expenditure assumptions. Moving on, this is our sheet about the revenue analysis. It shows that how much revenue we are generating each month and how much it is costing. We started with the visitors and then move on that number of visitors that are getting the initial consultation services. Applying the conversion rate of 30%, we are getting the number of patients, and then we have divided those patients into our three extremes, that is follow-up patients, surgery patients, and physical therapy patients. We have shown the revenue from each stream, that is from each segment, and then we have also shown the total revenues. Here you will find the revenue and COGS summary. So you can get that how much revenue you are generating from each segment and how much is the total revenue. So you can also see that which segment is a more has more sales. Then we have the statement of profit and loss. It is the income statement and it shows your net income at the end after taking into account all the revenue and the cost of goods sold. So we have here net so we have net income here annual basis, and we also have for the monthly basis. Then we have the cash flow statement, which shows the cash flows from operating activities, from investing activities, and from financing activities. At the end, you will get the net cash that your business is going to have. Then we have the balance sheet, which shows the values of assets and liabilities and owner's duty at a specific point of time. You can see we have given this balance sheet, so you will know that whether your balance sheet is balanced or not. If it is not balanced, then there must be some issues. Then we have this startup summary, which is your first year summary, that will tell you how much funding you have raised and how much are going to be your total expenses for the first year, and what will be the difference. This difference will tell you that whether you need more money for the business or not. Then we have the financial analysis, starting with break-even analysis, and here we have the break-even cells, which shows at what point your revenue will equal to your cost. Then you have company valuation to see the worth and the profitability of the company, that what is going to be our NPV and the IRR here. Moving on, we have the sensitivity analysis, which basically shows you that if your visitors or any input is going to change by some percentage, what will be the impact on other things. Here we have the variable of the visitors, and if my visitors are going to decline by 10% or increase by 10%, there will be the changes in my revenue, EBITDA, and other things also, which is shown here. Then the last thing that we have is the KPIs and the ratios, which shows the financial performance and the financial health of your company. So you can judge that where your company is going and what corrective measures you need to take. At the end, we have the dashboard, which is a quick snapshot of your whole company, and you will get the different graphs here, so you can see what is your company position or the financial health. So this is all about this template. Thank you for watching.